This is third short presented by Wlug. If you have not watched the old ones, then go in the description below, and do watch them. Also, enable subtitles if needed. Today we are going to talk about booting process. Have you wondered how does your computer start? Let's find out what happens as soon as you press power button until the login prompt appears. Let's start simple. There are 6 major steps in the typical booting process. First is BIOS. Basic Input-Output System. It is responsible for initial system check, which is also called as POST. Power on self-test is the diagnostic testing sequence that a computer's BIOS runs to determine if the computer keyboard, random access memory, disk drives, and other hardware are working correctly. Since POST runs before the computer's video card is activated, it may not be possible to progress to the display screen, so it responds with the pattern of beep code, which indicates the nature of the problem. Now, it loads and executes bootloader program and control is passed over MBR. Master boot record is located in the first sector of a bootable disk. It is less than 500 megabytes in size. It contains primary bootloader info and partition table info. It loads and executes GRUB. GRUB Unified Bootloader is responsible for providing user choice to boot one of multiple operating systems installed on a computer. It displays the menu for multiple OS. If nothing is selected, it loads default kernel. So, in simple terms, GRUB just loads and executes kernel and init RD images. Kernel mounts the root file system as specified in the root. Kernel executes init looks at the init tab file to decide the Linux run level. Following are the available run levels. Init identifies the default init level and uses that to load all appropriate program. Now let's talk about the last stage of the booting process. Run level program. There are total 6 run levels directories. The system now executes programs based on current run level directories. Under these directories, you would see programs that start with S and K. Programs starts with S are used during startup. S for startup. Programs start with K are used during shutdown. K for kill. There are numbers right next to S and K in the program names. Those are the sequence number in which the programs should be started or killed. So, guys, that's all for today. See you next time. Stay tuned for more stuff. Feel free to like, share and comment.